Happy New Year to you too. Happy New Year. Hi GTR. How is it going for everybody, guys? How is the New Year going? Oh my god, wait. Arey Ben, should. Hi Aiden. Now it's fine. Okay, let me also change the stream title. It still says it's 18 plus. Yeah. Wait. Wasn't yesterday or last stream? Oh my god, stop being mean. I knew these type of questions will be asked. Come on, don't say that. You're being mean. What should I write? A crazy stream title. What should I write? Yeah. Best Indian interactive stream. Done. See what I just wrote. Best Indian interactive stream. One of my most favorite and my most oldest stream title that I used to have. Looking beautiful, Ras. Thank you. So this one title that I have just put right now, it used to be my so favorite. GG. So now it says best interactive stream because it is the truth. Best Indian interactive stream. You will not find any other stream like me. Oh, my hair feels so nice. Touch wood, I'll tell you guys, when my hair feels nice, even I feel great. Okay. And do you guys see the glow on my face or anything? Do you guys see it? The glow? कोई ना कोई connection है जो मेरी नींदों को. I needed to have the 10 spray. Wish you a happy new year. Kanna, happy new year to you too, guys. I have to tell you so many crazy things that have happened. Okay, glowing face. Yes. Are you sure it's glowing face? I don't know. Yesterday was pretty difficult for me. So what happened was, me and Shavi, we all went to our sister's place, of course, to like watch a movie and to like get drunk and all, and then I drank extra, of course. First stream. Everything is new start of the year. We will forget about all the troubles and all the problems that we have because it's like one of the new. Happy New Year, Ragi. Happy New Year to you too, Remington. I've seen you on Instagram. You're a really pretty guy. I mean, you've also told me you work in acting and all, right? Why you done, G? Because I wanted to like forget the pain that I have nobody for this new year. No boyfriends, nothing. New year, new years. New us. No. New year, old me. Since when am I the problem? Hello? Dyslexic. Shut up. So yeah, I was saying, why not? Hi, my Indian goddess streamer. Hi, Marcus. How are you? How is it going for all of you all, guys? Hi. Hi. Thanks. Hey. No, I've seen you look really pretty and pretty tall as well. What's your height again? I'm sorry. I also have to tell you this. So, while yesterday drinking, we were watching certain films, okay? So, the first film was so crazy. The first film is all about this little girl from, I don't know, she lives in a village, okay? And suddenly she has lots and lots of problem going her, especially financial problems. So, she decides that she's gonna come to Mumbai and she's gonna work, okay? And then she just goes and she decides that if she's being honest and all, so basically she was just 12th passed, okay? She was just 12th passed. So I mean, if you're not really educated, who will give you a job? So this guy is like, you're not even qualified. Shall we just put the AC on? I'm so sorry, last time. So he says, if you're not qualified enough, why would anybody give you any job? So he says, come tonight at my hotel, I'll give you a job. Hi Dan, how are you? So she's like, okay. So he's like, if you want this job, you have to sleep with me. So this girl is like, but if I sleep with you, will you let me have this job? He says, yes. So after sleeping with him, he doesn't give the job. He's like, you're only pretty and you're only for bed. You're not even educated. How am I supposed to give you this job? So it's so funny. She starts to cry and all. After that, is something on my chin? Hi Zen, that's fucked up. Wait. Is something on my chin? Did you guys watch recently? It was yesterday only. So listen what happened, okay? Nah, not on chin. Okay. So listen. So after sleeping and all, she still doesn't get the job. So she calls her mother that I didn't get the job. And also mother is like, do you have any money? We have to get our father into this surgical room because it's his heart surgery that needs to be done. So then she decides that she's gonna be a full-time high escort, like high standard escort. Like what is the name? What did she call it?
High level escort.
High level escort. And it's just so funny because suddenly after becoming an escort, she knows how to speak in English. She's trained to walk in heels. It's like a fucking, she's getting a degree. So there are certain people who are teaching her how to do makeup, how to dress in a certain way. It's so funny. Me and Shabby, we were laughing so much. So after becoming an escort, the mother is is this a movie? Yeah. So only the mother knows that my older daughter is like an escort. Psych level. Oh god. Pretty funny movie. I didn't regret, and the fact that I was like tipsy. I just started to drink, and I drink without any chaser. So I just started to drink, and I was laughing like, how can you people be so sane? So everybody realizes about that, and then new skills. I wouldn't say new skill, but the way they say, it's like, bolte na, I'm doing psychology bachelor. Oh yes, I'm training in high level escort. They literally placed book in front of her head, and she was supposed to walk in heels with her face straight. Oh god, Indian movies are seriously very funny, especially the old. This movie was really old. I think so. The actress in this movie was Rani Mukherjee, very pretty girl. So it's really old movie. Maybe this is why they had this concept that if you come in Mumbai and if you don't have any education and all, you can just become high level escort.
But it still happens, Most of the girls who are not uneducated, they get treated like that.
I don't know, bro. It's just VIP escorts are highly intelligent, though. Hi, Jolly. मतलब मेरे दोस्त ने बोला. Nice. So how does your friend know about this? See, the fact that you can never trust an escort. I mean, see, if they are sleeping with you, they must have slept with many men. And if men are paying you to sleep with them, imagine how many people they have slept with. So if you're sleeping with that kind of person, you're not just sleeping with one person, but you're sleeping with the whole community. So this is why I say body count matters, of course. मेरे दोस्त सारे हरामी हैं. How much do you even pay these high escorts or something? It's pretty weird to me, the whole concept. And I mean, of course, if they are paying, they wouldn't really use, protection. Oh god, this is crazy. Legs a night. Still, legs a night, still. Don't know. You seem to know a lot. Hoping your 2026 brings as much as love and reciprocity as the boss who starts interviewing for your role after you've spent the night. It is a nice comment. I like it. Assuming at least a leg. I don't know. Oh, wait! If it's one leg for a night, it's not really a bad. Imagine if she works 365 days.